Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I make fashion and lifestyle videos. Today I have a quick unboxing to share with you. I scored this bag, I think last Saturday or Sunday morning. So it's the Thanksgiving weekend, Sunday. Somehow I stayed up late. I was talking to friends that Saturday and I saw this bag became available on Coach website. I believe it was a 2019 style. So I was very curious how comes a 2019 Rogue 25 suddenly became available on Coach website again. And I purchased the bag because it's so unique, you will see. And the last time I had a Coach unboxing and it was, it didn't go well because how the packaging turned out. I'm curious how this one will look like. And here we go. Okay, so it is a Rogue 25. I purchased directly from Coach website. It comes with a dust bag, which was good. Last time, no dust bag. And this time, you can see the wrapping was good. So the bag has some protection. It will not flow around randomly in the box. Okay. Da-da-da! Wow. It's very well packaged. It is a Coach 25 in color Bordeaux. It's like a wine color, and wow, it's in their signature leather, so it's not the typical pebble leather on Coach 25. First impression, I would say this leather is smooth. It feels a little bit different. I got a pebble leather and I had to return that one because I think it was 3rd generation Coach, and the glazing was horrible. Like when I got it, the glazing had crack. But this one, so I had to return that one. But this one looks good. Glazing looks good. And the packaging, it looks like it was factory packaged. So this is kind of what I would expect to get from Coach retail website. I would not be happy if I get a bag without any packaging or any protection from the website, from the retail website. So it comes with the Coach hang tag and this crochet. I believe this is only available right now for made to order Rogue. Size 25, it's the perfect size. The 30 will be too big for me, so this is perfect. And what I like the most about this bag, like why I placed the order, was because of the interior. It's the floral print. It's printed on the leather, and it's smooth leather. It's red interior. It's very pretty. So this one, because it's an older model, it does not come with a longer crossbody strap, but you can connect the 2 shoulder strap, and if you connect them, you can use it as a longer crossbody strap, or you can always attach your own strap. Sorry, I was cooking something. I got the package, I was so excited. I had to open it right away. I cannot wait. And I need to check my oven. But, so here's the bag. And first impression, I'm very happy. I think this unboxing went really well. But I have to think about the leather. It's definitely a different texture of leather compared to the other Coach bag I had. And thanks for watching the video. I will see you next time. Bye.